Welcome to Macoavell. Here are the complete step on how you can create glossy marble effect by using Marmorino. Apply a thin coat on the first layer by using trowel. Spread evenly throughout the wall. Let it dry for 4 hours. Apply the second layer by using the same method. Gently smooth out the surface while applying the second layer. Let it dry for 15 minutes. Now, prepare trowel and start burnish it by applying some pressure on it. Burnish it until you get your desired gloss effect. Let it dry for 24 hours. Next, apply Cera clear wax by using trowel. Buff off your wall by using microfiber cloth to remove excess wax. Here are the complete step on how you can create glossy marble effect on your wall. Do check out on our website and Facebook for more updates. Thanks for watching.